So let's solve this problem. So to find the integral of sine to the power 5 2x times the dx. So first, we need to get 1 from sine to the power 5 2x. So this becomes sine to the power 4 2x times sine 2x dx. Then we need to rewrite the sine to the power 4 2x to sine to the power 2. So this becomes the integral of sine to the power 2x quantity to the power 2 times sine 2x dx. Then from the trigonometric identities, for the sine to the power 2x, this is equal to the integral of 1 minus cosine to the power 2x quantity to the power 2 times sine 2x, then the dx. Then using the u substitution, so u equals cosine 2x. Then for du, or the derivative of cosine 2x, so since the derivative of cosine is negative sine 2x times the derivative of 2x, that's 2, then we need to add the dx. Then this becomes negative 2 sine 2x times the dx. Since from this equation, we only have sine 2x and dx. So from this equation, to solve for sine 2x dx, divide both sides by negative 2, cancel. So therefore, du over negative 2 is equal to sine 2x times the dx. Then apply now the substitution. So since u is equal to cosine 2x, so this becomes the integral of 1 minus u to the power 2 quantity to the power 2, and for the sine 2x dx, that's equal to du over negative 2, so times du over negative 2. Then we need to put this denominator negative 2 outside, so this becomes negative 1 over 2, then times the integral. So we need to expand this quantity of 1 minus u to the power 2, then to the power 2. So using the FOIL method, so we have 1 minus u to the power 2 times 1 minus u to the power 2. So apply the FOIL method, so that becomes 1 minus 2u to the power 2 plus u to the power 4 times the du. Then we need to find the integral for every terms. So distribute this du to this term. So this becomes negative 1 half times the integral of du. Then distribute this du to this term and put this constant outside. So this becomes negative 2 times the integral of u to the power 2 du. And distribute this du to this term. So plus the integral of u to the power 4 times du. Then apply now the integral formula. So since the integral of du is u, so this becomes negative 1 half times u, then minus 2. And for the integral of u to the power 2 du, since the integral of u to the power n du, this is equal to u to the power n plus 1 over n plus 1. So therefore, 2 plus 1, that's 3. So this becomes u to the power 3 over 3. Then plus the integral of u to the power 4 So plus 1 for the exponent. So this becomes u to the power 5 over 5. Then don't forget to put plus c or plus the constant. Then distribute this negative 1 half to every terms. So times u, this becomes negative 1 half times u. Then this negative 1 half times negative 2. So cancel. So this becomes positive because negative times negative, that's positive. So we have positive u to the power 3 over 3. And this negative 1 half to this term. So we have negative 2 times 5. So that's negative 10. So this becomes negative u to the power 5 over 10. Then plus c. Then this time, substitute now this cosine 2x to u and arrange this equation. Starts with the highest exponent. So we have u to the power 5 and u is cosine 2x. So this becomes negative 1 over 10. Then cosine to the power 5 2x. Then for this positive u to the power 3 over 3. So this becomes positive or plus 1 over 3. Then cosine to the power 3 2x. Then the last one, negative 1 half times u or minus 1 half cosine 2x. Then plus c. So this is now the integral of the sine to the power 5 2x dx.